So, good evening MJ. My name is Brigid Benselman, B-Site3. So, this is my presentation in your activity, which is the semi-final activity 3. So, the lesson 9 in Arduino. So, the photoresistor. So, here as I present my code. So, this is the code. So, this code is to, so this program turns the LED depend in the value sa analog sensor like photocell. Kung mas kusog ang kung mas kusog ang kahayag, mas daghan LEDs ang moon. Then 6 LEDs originally. Then in this way, so we set giset na to ang 8 LEDs. So here the cons int NBR LEDs, so number of LEDs that we use. Then cons int LED pins, then is an array pin kung asan ako na yung mga LEDs. Then cons int photo cell pin is equals to 0, so analog pin kung asan ako na ang photo cell or the light sensor. Then we have here the int sensor value is equals to 0, then int LED level is equals to 0. So we have here the void setup. So this we use loop to set the all LEDs pin as an output. Then for int LED is equals to 0, then LED is less than NBR LED plus plus. Then after that LED plus plus, then LEDs level map sensor value 300 1023 0 NBR LEDs. Then for another loop, int LED is equals 0, LED less than NBR LEDs LED plus plus. Then if LED is less than LED level, then use digital write LED pins LED, then high, then else digital write LED pins LED LED low. So in this case is to if mula pa si LED level, then pat yun niya ang LED. Then in the area of this is if ang LED index is gamay sa low level, then meaning kinhang lang siya mo on. So that's all. Then let's proceed to the output. So this is the output of my Arduino. So as you can see here, we have here the Arduino and all the LED lights. So if we an input and light reflect, then the LED light will automatically on the lights, and then like this one. So that's all, ma'am.